Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DGI game token. Ticker symbol is DGI. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange starting January 24th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 24th at 5 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search ticker symbol DGI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So DGI is a pioneering project in the gaming guild space. Our focus is giving the rewards back to the token holders. By staking DGI tokens, our holders can earn passive income monthly from the revenues generated by our gaming guild DGG's portfolio. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. They already have 570 holders. There is 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 1 billion DGI tokens. Now if you wanted to get this token prior to the Mexc Global listing, you can get this token from a decentralized exchange like Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the DGI token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, dgi.game. Now, if we scroll down to the tokenomics, we can see if there's any taxes. It doesn't say anything about taxes. Not that I could see at face value anyway, so you may have to set slippage, you may not. There's also going to be some gas fees on there, so just be aware of that. There could be failed transactions that result in more gas fees. That's why I don't really like Uniswap, but you're welcome to use whatever you like. And Mexc Global tomorrow. So the DGI token serves as the cornerstone for the whole ecosystem, providing our community with passive income opportunities through holding, supporting, and staking DGI. With a total supply of 1 billion tokens, 80% of the tokens are allocated to liquidity, 10% allocated to central exchange listings, and 10% to future community incentives and airdrops. So, token address right on the page. Now, they have a roadmap. We'll just go over the roadmap first. Usually I go over information first, but it's not, it's kind of like tells you what utility and stuff is involved here. So, it says, unlocking the future of gaming income. Now, they started in 2023 with the Guild's net income integration. In the initial phase, the decentralized gaming income token, and that's what DGI stands for, establishes itself as the visionary gaming token of the future. It all begins with the integration of gaming income derived from Guild's net income, offering token holders a consistent monthly revenue stream through staking. Then we got building a global gaming community. As we progress into 2024, which we just started, DGI will evolve into a thriving gaming community uniting hundreds of thousands of gamers from across the globe. Together we embark on an exciting journey. Then we have the game creation and acquisition phase. In 2024 and 2025, DGI is set to take the gaming world by storm. We will actively engage in the creation and acquisition of games developed by talents from around the world. This expansion paves the way for an unprecedented era of growth. Then unleashing staggering rewards. The numbers become nothing short of astonishing. 50% of the gaming revenue guaranteed will be channeled into distributions for DGI token holders. Brace yourselves for tens of millions in monthly rewards for staking token holders as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Join us on this exhilarating journey as we redefine the gaming landscape, revolutionizing the way we think about gaming income. The future of gaming income has arrived, and it's called the DGI token. Now, they offer staking, so our staking mechanism enables the community to benefit from our guild revenue. We'll start distributing 50% of the revenue from the guild 30 days after the initial token launch, with an initial projection of $150,000 within 1 month of staking. We'll also integrate additional revenue streams from video game acquisitions into our staking model. Now, they have the DGI Guild powering the DGI token. So currently, DGI Guild has assets in 3 high-profile games valued over $10 million and growing. The revenues exceed $300K per month and continue to increase month after month. DGI reinvests a percentage of its capital to continue revenue growth at all times. Now, they are going big time. Big Time Games stands out as one of the most successful and widely adopted Web3 games. I do believe maybe I did a video on that a long time ago. I cannot remember. But yes, I did definitely recognize the Big Time game. There's definitely a big game. I just can't remember if I did a video on it or not. But yeah, so it's a widely adopted Web3 game with top producing revenue in any play-to-earn game on the planet. As the largest asset holder in Big Time and the flagship of our portfolio, we are at the forefront of this exciting space. So Big Time combines action, role-playing games, gameplay with NFT rewards and Big Time tokens, drawing in millions of players and fans who will earn big. So this is a pioneering project in the gaming guild space. Their focus is giving the rewards back to the token holders. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate everybody who's hitting that join button, who's supporting the channel in one way or another. I appreciate all of you, and thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.